So there was not going to be any riding today at all. Hello YouTube! I'm laughing because I feel so awkward because where we're going?
Golfing.
We're going to a driving range, which...
Not this one because it's very busy.
Not this one because it's very busy. Yeah, we're going to a driving range, which I have never done anything like this before. This is going to be an experience one way or another. But I've just got in a car and I've seen... Why have you got a glove for...
The club's more for you, so you don't launch the club down range.
I'm not going to launch it down the range. Is it like when you see them on American TV and they're all like stood on like this windowsill?
No, that's like Top Golf. This is nothing like Top Golf. This is like poverty version.
But it'll be fun. It'll be an experience, and I just thought I'll do a mini vlog and take you lot along for the ride. It is super miserable outside. Is it definitely indoors?
No, it's under a shelter. Like a tin roof.
I reckon I'm going to be an absolute pro at this, you know.
I hope you are. I can retire then.
Yeah, I'll start riding bikes and just go and play driving golf.
Driving golf. I mean, these long drive competitions. So there's a decent spread.
The what?
There's a decent spread of clubs there.
So we just paid £8 and you get a little basket full, don't you?
Yeah, there's about 100-ish balls.
100-ish.
There's a selection of club clubs. Don't film the first one.
I'm filming your first one.
Come on, give me a glove. Robot.
What's the little robot doing?
Picks the balls up.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
What is it, hoover them up?
Yeah. Yeah, put some back in the basket.
There's no ball. Did you miss it? I didn't. I need to put my glasses on. I couldn't see where that went.
You've got no chance. Closer.
Was that one?
What?
Was that one? What a shot. Whoa, look! Hey, I'm good at this. I know I would be. Ah, shut up, ball! Hey, come on, I'm hot already. You know, when I came today, I thought I'd be the worst person here.
Leave it out.
First time, I mean.
Yeah, I'm me. Hurts your wrist, doesn't it?
It's good for like you can skim it across swing.
Whoa! Whoa! 100 mark.
Stand a bit to your right.
Why?
Bigger the club, so bigger the club face, you stand more behind the ball. That's it. You're trying to think.
Look! I hit the target. I can't have a wrist though.
And come on, come with club, touch your body. And try and get on it. Like follow through with club. You're kind of like hitting more than stopping your club.
Is that why it's hurting your hand?
Yeah, follow through with the club.
Yeah, it's hurting the back of my hand.
Don't let go of the club.
Yeah, but when you go from that position to there, makes your hand go.
Yeah. So like that, and then as you come down, follow through with your hips. And don't let the club face twist.
Whoa.
Always good.
Go like this. It's like a big heart. But it's even harder after a tee shot doing that.
I don't get it. I don't get how.
Football on grass.
No, I don't get your hands. I'm not even being special either. I don't understand.
Need to bend.
Maybe it's because you're more at that angle.
No.
More at that angle. Oh, you're more at that angle. It's not as special.
Just try it. It's whatever works for you, really. And then just tell you how to hit the ball. Yeah, but no, so now you've hit it off the switch the body a bit.
If you're standing behind the ball. Yeah.
Just do it after.
Body's like,
See that came off. It's all the club. 100 yard.
Where's the squirrel gone?
On the right of it now.
That is the second time he's been running past.
Trying it.
No, do not try and hit him.
I don't think I can hit it that far.
You cleared the fence line, so. Right, I'm out the way. Great shot. Phenomenal. That was not good.
That's time not to do it.
I can't see what. Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, no. I'm in my Michael Jackson era. You be careful without your glove on.
No.
Where did that go? Miles away. There she goes. Squirrel.
70 yards, maybe? 80 yards?
We're gonna have it.
Try it.
It's gonna end in tears, isn't it?
I can't do it.
Which foot do you go for first? Was that it? I feel like you need to.
Squirrel's going for it. Oh. Let me have it.
Oh my god!
It's on camera.
Workout is seconds.
As you step onto the thing, you need to be swinging.
Well, you said what?
As you jump onto the mat, you need to be swinging. So you get behind it. And just keep your eyes on the ball.
I'm getting told off.
Just so they know how to go, man.
You what?
Just so they know how to go, but
No, it doesn't.
back fence 220 yards.
Right, it's got messing now.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, good. Really good. 70-ish maybe? What's one?
100 with curry.
Oh, no, it didn't eat 100.
Oh.
I told you the last one's all it was.
Oh,
That's it. That's
good
all
day.
she wants. Oh yeah, you've got me glove, haven't you?
There's your glove.
Okay.
So how did I do?
Well, you first go. I think you're lying. I think that was your second go.
Because I did well.
You did really well.
Oh, thank you.
So proud of you.
Thanks.
And now I'm going to American golf and get you kitted out. This can be a winter hobby while it's raining. 18 holes tomorrow.
Can we not do shooting instead?
What?
I'm good at that.
Plenty of pigeons.
Yeah, I'm good at that. I enjoyed that.
I'm not sure I trust you again.
10 out of 10 would recommend giving it a go. Look at a bit. Now, did you have a good time?
Yeah, I've not done it for about 2 years.
Guess you never lose it. Let's see the.
Can't lose what you never won.
So we got some targets. Ash hit it over that woodland area, like over the trees. No one hit the back fence. I hit that target a couple of times and once there. But it was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And where's this? Sand Hill.
Sandal.
Sand Hill.
Right. You're at home.
The robot needs to be going down there, getting all them balls. Oh, it's water, I ain't got my glasses on. But that was really good, I enjoyed that. £8 a basket, 100-ish balls. Boom.
19 quid, 2 winners and 2 drinks.
19 quid for 2 of us and 2 drinks. And we spent, what, 2 hours nearly? An hour and a half?
About an hour and a half. You weren't just constant.
About an hour and a half with coffee break. But yeah, happy days. So there we have it, my first go at golf drive. Golf drive? Driving golf.
Driving range.
Driving range.
Yeah, and you've just put bikes on eBay for some clubs, haven't you?
No. No, I definitely think my talent lies with riding bikes as opposed to hitting balls, to be honest.
No, but you did good.
Thank you. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. A different experience. Something that passed the time on such a miserable day. You're like a teleprompter. It's like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So, on the words of Ash, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do that hypey thing.
Yeah. You'd like to get onto the leaderboard at some point.
Is that a good thing to get on a leaderboard?
I think it just pushes your video out, so yeah.
Yeah, get me on a leaderboard for this mini vlog, and you should definitely do that because I've been nice enough not to put mid-video ads in this video, so you are welcome. Hype me up to say thanks.